Waller asks, I got a question for you, Avocado. Why are you named Avocado? Well, you have to ask my parents. They know. Would you rather go to Disney World, Great Adventure, or Universal? Well, Disney! I love Mickey and Goofy and Donald. Yeah, I love Disney. Okay, next question. Durf, how do you keep your fur so clean? I take baths. I hope you take baths too. Or shower. Those are good. Okay. GTX, what made you want to create content in the first place? What's your inspiration? Well, everybody in the world is on social media. So I said, I might as well too. So here I am.